shaking phenomena that bent history, surprised science, or united billions in one woe moment. 10. The year without a summer, 1816. Mount Tambora dimmed the sun worldwide. Crops failed. Snow fell in June. One eruption could mess with everyone's dinner. 9. Krakatoa's shockwave, 1883. It was heard 3,000 miles away. Sunset skies went psychedelic for years. Global weather took a hit. 8. The 1918 flu pandemic. One virus, 3 waves, an estimated 50 million deaths. It taught the world how fast a pathogen can outrun borders. 7. The Dust Bowl, 1930s. Drought, bad farming practices, rolling sandstorms, and mass migration. We learned soil is a living system you don't mess with. 6. The ozone hole and the Montreal Protocol, 1985-1987. Scientists spotted the sky literally thinning over Antarctica. The world actually agreed to phase out CFCs and the ozone layer began healing. 5. El Niño, especially 1997, 98, and 2015-16. Warm Pacific waters floods here, droughts there. Fish migrations gone weird, one ocean hiccup with planet-sized consequences. 4. Y2K and the power of preparation, 1999-2000. The bug that didn't break the world because millions of hours of boring code fixes saved the day. 3. The 2011 Tohoku earthquake and tsunami, one of the strongest quakes ever recorded, a wall of water, a nuclear crisis. It pushed engineering to rethink worst-case scenarios. 2. Gravitational waves, first detected in 2015. Einstein called it lasers listen, space-time literally rang from black holes colliding. 1. The 2020 climate wake-up. Record heat in 2023 and 2024 megafires, shrinking glaciers, storms that feel personal but also the fastest growth of renewables ever, cities rethinking design, and everyday people cutting carbon because future me needs a livable planet. Here's the thread tying all of it together. Feedback loops. Tiny shifts become tidal waves when systems connect. Air and ocean, soil and food, code and culture. And that means the smallest choices add up too. So the next time the world feels chaotic, zoom out. We've faced ash-darkened skies, invisible enemies, and oceans that breathe hot and cold. Time doesn't just pass, it stacks. Lessons become guardrails, and we get to decide what makes the next list. Disasters we dodge, breakthroughs we share, and moments we all look up at the same sky and say, remember that? Bonus lightning round. Total solar eclipses that stop entire continents. The internet going from dial-up to a digital nervous system. And vaccines built from mRNA code. Medicine at upload speed. If you want a part 2, I'll dive into wild microphenomena, ball lightning, rogue waves, and cities that sink and rise. Hit follow and let's ride the timeline together.